When the minute starts, I'ma clear the guts. And I still gotta dump the ground. No, I'ma dump the, I don't know what I'm
gonna do. Dump that first.
Bae, why you helping me?
Wee!
Nigga, wee! What is up, everybody? How is everybody doing today? So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a challenge video because why not? I'm gonna be seeing how fast I can roll a blunt. I think 3 minutes is fair, so get your water, get your blunt, baby, and we finna get into this video. Okay, babe, 3 minutes. When the minute starts, I'ma clear the guts, and I still gotta dump the ground. No, I'ma dump the, I don't know what I'm
gonna do. Dump that first.
Bae, why you helping me? Why would I do that? Why? Exactly.
Hey.
Start the thing before I cuss you out. Tell me when to go. Say 3, 2, 1. No.
2.
Why would you say 1? I don't.
3.
Who you yelling at?
3. 2. 1.
Okay. Babe, can you talk? No, babe, talk to me. Tell me the times and stuff. You gotta let me know when the time going down. Like whenever I just really ain't, I need to just buckle up.
You good?
I'm good. You're in the camera. Stop doing other stuff. Do time.
2 minutes and 10 seconds.
You think I'm gonna make it?
Yeah.
Can you please stay out the camera? Babe, you ain't gave me no time.
You got 1 minute and 30 left.
Hey, babe, you're not encouraging me.
Babe, you got plenty of time.
You're not encouraging me. Can you stop talking to me?
Babe, you got 30 seconds. Pick it up. 25 seconds left. Goddamn, rolling S-Man.
Shut up! Done.
That count?
It's rolled, everybody. I did this. I did it.
Wee!
Nigga, wee! Babe, I want some food.
You want some food? Which one?
So, y'all, sip, puff, pray, because who gonna make that way? Him up above, yes he will. And I will see y'all in my next video.